Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special for you. We will unboxing and reviewing the Georgette easy washable handbook Lahariya saree. So let's get started. Wow, just look at this beautiful saree. It's made of Georgette fabric, which is known for its lightness and easy maintenance. This saree is not only gorgeous but also incredible convenient to take care of. The handwork on this saree is simply breathtaking. The delicate embroidery and it a touch of elegance, making it perfect for any special occasion or festive celebration. The attention to detail truly makes this saree a work of art. But what set is this saree apart is its easy washability. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to worry about dry clean or spending hours hand washing. It simply put it in the washing machine and enjoy it effortlessly. Maintenance, even with regular washing, this saree will maintain its vibrant color and the fabric would not lose its shine. It's perfect for those who appreciate style but also value practicality in their everyday lives. Just imagine yourself adorning the saree gracefully draped around you. It's not only reflection of your style but also testament of your smart choice in saree. The Georgette easy washable handbag leheriya saree. That's it today unboxing video. We hope you enjoyed this video. I found helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, guys. If you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank